Welcome everyone to a brief video of the 2025 Oadby Motorfest, which is my local annual classic vehicle gathering. If you know me and my channel, then you will know that I home in on pre-war and early post-war cars, so I apologise if I miss out your favourites. Although there weren't many of the older classics there, I enjoyed chatting with some friendly enthusiasts. This impressive Morris 16 from the mid-1930s certainly got my attention.
Now loading.
Historic buses were providing rides to the local tram museum.
No, me neither. That's what I was saying.
A Rolls-Royce 4 Litre engine in this Vandenpla, or whatever the correct pronunciation is, as there are many arguments over this, and a smaller car carrying the same high-class branding but based on the Austin Morris 1100, Britain's best-selling car at one time. A regular at this event, a rather nice Morris Oxford Series MO.
Now I'm in the Vito GT today, the van.
Always a good turnout of Triumphs, mostly from the 1970s. I've had to suppress some of the soundtracks due to music content. Another favourite is this 3 litre Alvis TA21, a close rival to my AC 2 litre. Note the horn and indicator switches similar to the one I serviced in another video. Probably my favourite for style is this 1940 SS Jaguar 1.5 litre. I'm going to have to freeze the picture here, as I have just spotted something ultra rare, a lockable Monza style fuel filler cap. If you watched my barn find video earlier in 2025, you will have seen me salvaging a similar cap. I had been searching for one for 42 years, having only seen one previously in 1983. During a nice chat with the son of this Jaguar's owner, he recommended a local locksmith to make a key for my filler cap. Citroen Diane. At the far end, the car's giving the charity dream rides. Take a ride and donate to some children's charities.
You upload the email address. Yeah.
Meanwhile, my neighbour was raising funds for schools in Gambia.
They all have one car. Each race is 2 pounds. There is a whole day. This all going towards supporting programs overseas. Schools and everything, yeah? All right. Thank you very much. Just watch your back.
A Daimler SP250 or Dart with that wonderful 2.5 litre V8 engine and fiberglass body. A Reliant, also fiberglass. Fellow YouTuber Ron turned up with his impressive Bentley. We live in the same county, but this was the first time we met. Certainly a pleasure to have a nice long chat with him. Yeah. Panhard, which I'm also probably mispronouncing. Amazing quirky cars.
I can hear you know on the conversation.
6 years today.
A sad moment in history as our local pet store has closed after decades in business. Owned by a local classic car enthusiast who has helped me many times. I couldn't resist another look. A Super Beetle which is wider and with suspension more akin to a Porsche. I suspect some modern SUVs wouldn't squeeze through that gap. Before ending with a lovely Triumph TR6, I'll say thanks to the organisers and participants, and many thanks to you, dear viewer, for tuning in.